Gloss consistency is within tolerance.
Noted. Final approval given.
All right, clear the gate now. Second truck, pull forward to the line.
Hold the line right there. Secure the brakes.
Crane, we are ready for the lift. Section 1 clear.
Confirmed clear. Proceeding with caution.
Clear the deck, we're bringing in the next load. Watch your spacing on stack 3.
Keep it moving, ladies. Truck 7, hold tight. Crane, swing left, drop zone is clear.
Diameter reading is stable at 350 millimeters.
Moisture levels are slightly high on this batch.
Looks like it's almost done. Pressure levels are nominal. Roger that. These logs look good. Reroute the next set to the stacker. Got it. Adjusting the flow now. The current flow rate is consistent.
Okay, I've logged it. Check the overall usage here before I finalize.
Yes. That matches the input, you're good to go. Keep an eye on the alignment of that large block. Got it. It's clear of the edge now.
Ensure the moisture levels are consistent across the batch.
They look good. The steam treatment worked perfectly. We can advance them now.
The measurement here is inconsistent.
I see it. Let's recalibrate the blade depth.
This section here seems almost ready. I noted that. The consistency is perfect now.
Look at this edge right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Logging the warp. Check the alignment right here on the corner. Is the moisture level good?
Reading steady at 8%. Looks perfect.
Clear in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, shifting focus to the next pallet now.
Check the temp gauge.
Holding steady at 200, we are good to go.
The sequence looks good. Keep the pace steady.
We're clear on this side, sending the next batch through.
The dimensions are holding steady.
Good. Keep monitoring the feed rate.
We need more pressure on the right side.
Okay, I'm adjusting the knob now. It's set.
Check the consistency on this section.
It's uniform. The finish looks excellent.
Surface finish is excellent on this batch.
Agreed. I'll clear it for shipping.
Approval given. Check this corner again, just to be sure. Yeah, looks perfect. The heat seal held up well.
Keep it steady, bring it forward slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Release that stack now. Confirm the dispatch.
Confirmed. Moving to the next load.